Hello everyone, we're officially on day 18 of the FlyLady system, and I cannot believe that I have made it this far. I have stuck it out, even through my frustrations. I am still here. Now, day 18, we are well into the second half of this, and we still have not done laundry, and we still have not cleaned a toilet, or anything other than our kitchen sink, essentially, aside from 5-minute room rescues. So still have some frustrations because there's just important things to me that, for instance, we are 18 days, which is what, just over 2.5 weeks of the FlyLady, and our bed sheets are still dirty. So these are the kinds of details that someone like me is struggling with. Now, other things I am seeing huge impacts on, and that is the 15 minutes a day of decluttering. My favorite part of the day. I look forward to it. Sometimes you've seen that there's been some days I've done it twice, and it just so happened that the next day I kind of took a little break, and that extra 15 minutes really paid off the day before because I counted it as that day I took off. No, what is nice about this, and what you guys keep telling me, is we don't have to be perfect at this. Perfection is not the answer, and that is my biggest struggle. I am 100% a recovering perfectionist, and I don't know if I've said that before. I know I've commented on some of your guys' comments that yes, that is me. I'm Allie. I'm a recovering perfectionist. So, day 18, let's talk a little bit about this. Today, we are going back to the website, of course, and we're going to the 11 commandments of the FlyLady. So, and you go there and you read them, and I'm going to link them, a direct link to her 11 commandments in the comments. 1, we're going to keep our sink shiny and clean. Get dressed every morning. All the way down, don't forget to lace up your shoes. She likes to have shoes on. We've learned this. Do your morning and before bedtime routines every day. Don't allow yourself to get sidetracked by the computer. 5, pick up after yourself. If you get it out, put it away. That's a mom. That's a mom saying that. 6, don't try and do 2 projects at once. 1 job at a time. Okay, this one I think is something I was supposed to read, what day? Was it 8 or 9 when I ripped apart my front entryway in 5 minutes and didn't get to finish it till the next day. This is don't pull out more than you can put back in 1 hour. 8, do something for yourself every day, maybe every morning and night. I like that. Number 8 so far is my favorite. Work as fast as you can to get the job done. This will give you more time to play later. 10, smile even when you don't feel like it. It is contagious. Make your mind up to be happy and you will be. And 11, don't forget to laugh every day. Pamper yourself, you deserve it. All right. When I saw a link to the FlyLady 11, her 11 commandments, I'm going to be honest, I kind of rolled my eyes and thought, oh my gosh, really? But I approve. They were all very good. I liked it. So I approve 11 commandments. They impressed me. So today is day 18. We're going to continue doing everything on our list. Right now, I am still in my bar area. I don't have much more to do. I've gotten quite a bit done. Yesterday, I did my, this is yesterday's clearing out bin. So if I don't finish this in the 5 minutes, I might add my hotspot to right here as well, just because this would be really nice to wrap up. So let's set that timer and get going. No, I'm not gonna. decided to come back into a place that kind of started it all in regards to my cleaning videos, my office. So I am decluttering, 15 minutes in here. Let's go. All right, the timer's going off. Today's declutter, this, those, and garbage. All that. Not bad. Made a pretty good dent on that desk too. All right, I have finished my 5-minute room rescue, a 2-minute hotspot, and 15-minute decluttering. 15 minutes of decluttering. I have gotten tons decluttered in this office. Feels very good. This has been a room I haven't been in. It's a room I have not been in quite a while. I just come down and make the bed when we have guests. Otherwise, it's a giant fish! The giant fish is eating me up! It's time for me to go play. 2-minute hotspot tonight. Shine the sink. I'll see you tomorrow.
You're gonna be a fish.
You are a fish. I'm gonna get you. I'm going fishing. I'm gonna catch me a big one.